Welcome to Crash Chronicles.
From reckless drivers swerving into oncoming traffic to chaotic multi-car pileups caused by out-of-control trucks or daring cut-offs in front of massive big rigs, we've got it all covered in today's video. Join us as we dive into real-life traffic incidents and uncover valuable tips to keep you safe on the road. Buckle up, stay alert, and let's get started.
My God! Holy fuck!
Taas ng mall, no? Hindi pwede ako dumaan dito.
Diyan kayo nagpa-member?
Hindi, wala iba dyan dito. Walang daan.
Mura pa rin ng gas, oh! Sarap!
Masarap kahapon, 52. Ngayon?
Uy, guys! Ang inamang pa.
Ina mo.
Ang bilis ng kuha ng motor na may kasalanan,
Oo.
guys. Estudyante, gago.
Ayan, may guard pa.
Tinataw niya eh.
Mamadali ka, boss.
Ang bilis niya eh. Dito yan. Ang bilis niya talaga, as in.
Rinig mo yung gulong eh. Pag-preno.
Wrong.
Oh, baby, wait lang.
Wait lang.
Pero, ang bilis niya. Kami nagkamali. Kita sa dashcam.
Ay na, chismosa.
Ang bilis niya sobra. Oo, nagbalala na kami. Nagbalala na kami.
Asan lisensya mo?
Oo, mabilis siya. Ito, kita sa dashcam. Dashcam.
I don't think I'm comfortable with that. Whoa! What the fuck?
What's the guy doing, man? He's not even looking. I'm so sorry about that. That guy wasn't even looking.
Just went past by.
He literally just started walking. I didn't even know if he was gonna cross or not because he was walking up, yeah. He literally just walked out onto the street.